what is the meaning of suspension in JDS party? In the family, all suspension, they are not. It is only to show that what Mr. Kumaraswamy said one day earlier, what he said next day. It is all. There is a lot of changes here. No question of. No one accepts it. No one believes it. You ask anyone in the streets of Karnataka whether you believe that Mr. X has been suspended. No one will agree in Karnataka.
Sir, it's the integrity of a party and other side a family. Mr. Kumaraswamy day before said that the action will be taken without any question. We will not spare anybody. Doesn't matter whether he is a family member or not. Today, Mr. Kumaraswamy in the morning said that if these videos are true, let the investigation go on. Why should we suspend on other things? These kind of statements.
That is why I am telling you, no one in Karnataka believes Mr. Kumaraswamy. Every day he changes his stand. Every day he tries to deviate things. This is his political history and his political story that is not firm and committed to any of his political understandings.
One side the SIT has been formed, sir. Other side, Mr. Prajwal Revana is in different country, other country. How is it possible that SIT can bring him back and investigate, sir?
You better ask the Home Minister of the state. I think you will be the right man to answer, either the DG, the Home Minister. There is a procedure and they will act on it.
The day before, he voted and he left country. Do you think it was all the pre-planned thing, sir?
Maybe, I don't know about it. But according to me, I was told that the senior party leaders, their leaders directed him to leave the country. And it has happened. I was told so. I don't know, I don't have evidence on it, but it is a ear call.
Union Home Minister Amit Shah's statements, how do you see this? Statement made by Mr.
See, Amit Shah has said that he has condemned, we agree. We also respect, they also respect. But as far as aligning with the BJP and JDS, he said it is their party issue, they will take action. They can't do like that. They have to make it very clear whether we are continuing or not. That is only one question I am asking to my BJP friends. That's all. Whether you want us to be associated with you or not. Not the individual. It is the entire party itself. The family itself is a party. How can Kumaraswamy tell that he is not my family, myself and Devegowda, we are not the family? Whether you will believe in it? Anyone believes in it? It can't be. The other part, brothers, just 10 days back he said that he is my son. Then how can you throw him out?
And Hassan. Sir, many leaders visited different places. Now you are also questioning that where are those leaders who raised voice against the women atrocities?
I am asking the BJP leaders of Karnataka and even the national leaders, why you are not opening your mouth? Why you are not speaking? What has happened to R. Ashok? What has happened to Vijayendra? What has happened to Yediyurappa? Lot of things. Nothing is there.
Do you think victims are being used in these videos, sir?
Of course. I feel sorry for them. We have to protect them. We have to give them respect. Their confidentiality has to be maintained. Poor women, I feel sorry for them. They have been embarrassed, tortured like anything, victimized.
Sir, you clearly made a statement that there was nowhere I was connected with these videos or nowhere I was not.
I do not know.
BJP leaders are making such.
BJP, if they doesn't remember me, BJP or JDS, they will not get sleep. They will not get digestion. They will not get sleep. Nothing. They will not get energy. When they think about me only, they will get energy also. Morning, before sleeping also they should think about me. After they wake up also they should think about me. Then only they get energy and they start their work.
Sir, driver of the Prajwal Revana, the MP, he clearly made a statement that I never met any Congress leaders, including D.K. Shivakumarji. I gave this video only to the whistleblower, Mr. Devaraja Gowda, who was the candidate in Hole Narsipur of BJP.
I think it is a fact because I also saw, I still have not seen the TV or video. Someone was telling me that he has made some statement, which is a fact also.
These kind of allegations, when they come, they are showing only D.K. Shivakumarji. What is your message to them?
Since I am the president of the party, they feel that they are with me. They are finding very difficult to run. They will just ban anyone. They can't control me, they can't digest me. All these things are there. Earlier, some of them used to be controlled. I think they were right. But as DK Shivakumar, they can't do that job.
Mr. Kumaraswamy, you said we are learning everything from Kumaranna. The kind of the statement Kumaraswamy made that whoever behind these videos don't need to be revealed, and you're also saying same thing, sir.
His lip is different, his tongue is different, his mind is different. Let me not much discuss on him more.
Will the SIT investigation, sir, go on free and fair, sir?
Definitely, we will not. Who will interfere? No one will interfere. Either the chief minister or the home minister. He will not interfere. He will. Law will take its own course.
So it will continue as it is, sir.
I think they will do their job.
Be as a government, sir, as a party, Congress, how are you looking? Because Priyanka Gandhi attacked Prajwal Ravana literally.
I don't. I have not seen the full statement, but I was told that she had asked the union government, and I think they will answer to it. Thank you.